By its very nature, AR is all about transferring knowledge and insights. Frontline workers need the right information and the right knowledge to thrive in the face of these challenges. Traditional methods of empowering them, like paper documentation and in-person training classes, over-the-shoulder mentoring and shadowing, and face-to-face troubleshooting, they're all no longer viable. Even in normal times, these approaches are inefficient. But in a world of working from home, travel bans, and social distancing, they just don't work at all. Fortunately, AR fundamentally changes the way that we can communicate information and knowledge. It allows us to present 3D digital models, visually augment work instructions, and expose relevant insights, such as from sensors or other digital sources. With AR, this content can be presented directly in the frontline worker's field of view, relative to important context that they see in the physical world where they're working. This changes everything. It improves productivity, it increases quality, and it ensures safety and compliance. And most importantly, all of that unlocks value for you and your team.